Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I am Ben Beps, and today I'm actually really cold. I don't know why. It's only -10, but it feels pretty cold outside. I'm in the centre of Rovaniemi, new place to start a vlog. Doesn't look like centre, it's pretty dead. I'm on a back street. I need to go to the tax office to collect a new tax card for New Year 2024. My 2023 one has expired as of January payday, so I need a new one for my February payday. And I'm going to the tax office to do that. And because of doing that, I've got the day off work, and I thought, why not bring the drone? I haven't done much, well, I've barely done any drone photography in my entire time in Lapland, so I've got the drone. I'm going to do some drone photography today, probably of the river, and then maybe the Santa Claus village as well. And I'll show you the process of that and the final photos I shoot on the drone. Also, obviously getting some photos on the camera as well. And yeah, just create some cinematic shots from that, some photos, and show you all of that. I'm going to go to the tax office now, and then maybe head down to the river. Okay, that is my tax card all sorted. Everything good, I will get paid for this month's work. Like I said, I'm going to walk down to the river now and see if we can get the drone up there, get some really cool shots of the Candlestick Bridge and stuff. They have these little diggers everywhere. They drive around, they take the snow away, and they clear off all the paths all around the city, even in the small neighbourhoods, residential areas on the outskirts, and they are everywhere. And actually it looks like a really cool job, I'd love to do that. Really easy, just stick a podcast on and drive around shoveling snow all day. Simple. So I made it, I'm here by the river, and I was just thinking to myself, why is it still not frozen over yet? Like, we're almost at the end of January, 24th of January is today, and there's still river in the middle. I came here back in March last year, and it was fully frozen, so I guess it's still got a month and a half to get to the point it was then. But one of the taxi drivers said last year it was frozen by Christmas, and we're a long time after Christmas now. I mean, it is slowly getting there. It's only a little bit of water left in the middle, but even so, it was frozen to a point in March where people were snowmobiling on it. They're not supposed to, but there were people snowmobiling on it down the bridge over there. And you wouldn't snowmobile on that now, so I'm a bit confused why it's taking so long to freeze this year, because it's not exactly been a really warm winter. Yeah, a bit weird. Anyway, time to get the drone up in the air. Slight issue, I can't really fly properly. Managed to take off one time, got a few pictures of the Candlestick Bridge, and until I realised I can't go forwards or left, I can only go right and backwards. Now, I'm not entirely sure why that's happening. It took me 10 minutes to connect to the drone, it finally worked, and now we're having this problem. Second of all, last time I flew I broke two of the propellers and I replaced them. Maybe I've not replaced them correctly and that's why I can't fly forwards or sideways. That's definitely a possibility. Or it could just be the cold. It's -12 right now, and that does drain the power quickly, but I've never experienced a problem with flying in a certain direction because of the cold. Whatever the issue, I can't do anything other than hover right now. And now it's saying it's unable to take off, so I'm gonna have to settle with like 3 pictures of that bridge. Might take it home and troubleshoot it ready to fly another day. Hello, my name is Ben Beps and I'm the lead content creator here at SolerMedia. Our mission is to provide top quality content for travel, tourism, hospitality and fitness companies to help grow their social media channels, drive sales, turning viewers into customers. It's 2024 now, so I'm sure I have no need to explain to you how important having good professional marketing content is for any business. From helping you to stand out from competition on social media and in the industry, to driving sales, ensuring trust with these potential clients, and just making your service look as good as possible, having top quality videos and photos are imperative in this digital world. Now, I understand running a business is very stressful and time consuming, and I understand that photos are probably not that high on your priority list, which is exactly where we step in to help you. Take the stress of social media content creation off of your agenda and the fees off of your tax bill. For more information on what we can do for you, drop us a direct message or an email. Thank you all very much for watching. We look forward to working with you soon.